Frank Capra, a famous filmmaker, once said, "There are no rules in filmmaking, only sins. The cardinal sin is dullness." And I couldn't agree more. You've got to hold your audience while you can, and do your best to ensure you can hold them for as long as you need. That's good filmmaking, in my opinion. That's what I try to accomplish in my own work. Hi, I'm Theo Braddock, and today I want to give you an in-depth look at the work that I do and how I produce my videos start to finish, because there have been a lot of unanswered questions that I received from making my first 3 videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Every project starts here, literally here. Google Docs are the foundation of my work. The ability to work seamlessly from any device I have allows me to spend more time on what I enjoy. And once I'm finished writing my script, I print it out, and I can just kind of leave it in my backpack until I'm ready to go shoot. The day of the shoot starts early, really early. Now, I'm usually up at around 6 a.m. on weekdays, but I call this an early start because from Friday to Sunday, I'm not usually going to sleep at a normal hour. I'll wake up, eat, or grab a quick breakfast from somewhere local, and walk from my house down Wilson Boulevard to Roslyn, where I get most of my ambient skylines and any cool close-ups that I have in mind. Any complicated shots I think of for when I have more gear or access to different things, I add them to a special shot list at the back of one of my school notebooks. The day that I have access to some quality camera gear and maybe a rooftop or two, no one's gonna be ready. That's just gonna be insane. Now, I'm usually out for about 3 to 5 hours in Roslyn, and then I'll metro back up the hill because I have a lot of footage to sort through. And since I shoot on my iPhone 12, I can just airdrop the footage to my MacBook and import everything. I do mean everything, because starting a new project and seeing all the finals line up on their own, something about that is just so satisfying. While there are definitely smarter ways to organize everything, I find that works for me. I color code my footage to differentiate between sound, added media, like text and images, voiceovers, and the actual shots that I have. For the next week or so, I'm in and out of the editing process, but I always start with music. Now, sound is half of a cinema experience, so I love creating intro edits that match the music I choose and making sure that my videos have a carefully composed soundtrack. I've heard from a lot of you that you appreciate the calm feeling of my videos, so I use only chill and aesthetic music from Epidemic Sound. I spend the rest of the week clipping together all my footage, tuning the audio, and adding all of my text synced to the music, of course. Finally, I prep my socials for uploads, and this is very important as uploads can take a while, so if I can be ready to send out the video the minute it's done processing, that puts me in a really good place. I write out a short video description for Instagram and YouTube and make a simple thumbnail. The actual upload takes around 10 to 20 minutes depending on the video length, and then I can finally take a deep breath and relax. Through a lot of trial and error, this is what my process looks like right now, and in the future I hope that it varies a little, it can evolve into something more efficient and a little bit more refined, but for right now, this is what I'm working with. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. I know a bunch of people had questions about my process, about what I use, how do I shoot on just an iPhone or two, or how do I write, how do I edit, what do I use, all that stuff. So I hope this video was really good at answering those questions. If not, if you have more questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to get back to you. But for right now, this video has been a blast to make. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon.